instantly. For maximum volume.
What are you doing, Lena?
New Red Pro Lasting Mascara. It takes time to release.
Maybe he wants to dance with you.
Okay.
Screw everybody out.
But he wants to dance with. These are big boys. He's a good boy. He's a good boy, and I'm a good boy. I think I'm a kid.
We just got to get through this.
Thursday at 9 on Lifetime.
Oh, hey! Come here. Come here. I'm gonna pick you up.
Be gentle with him.
And you jump, jump.
Don't jump with him.
And you jump, jump. See, I think he was going with Dad, so he's home, you Kenny.
Love him?
Yeah, I think he was going to chair.
Okay, put him in the chair. He's probably terrified of you.
Oh, I don't want him in the chair because I think he's going to be...
Lena, put him down now.
I want to carry him and dance.
You can't carry him and dance.
Dance.
Why don't you sit him on the couch so he can watch you dance?
I'm going to carry him so he can
Feel so bad for you, buddy.
Go in his store. He was going to chair. Hey, Mommy, can you move the chair? Okay.
Lena, you're going to drop the puppy.
I'm not. He's going to. Okay. Mommy.
Are you seeing Sam?
He's going.
You're never home.
Can you fix him up?
Where do you want him to go?
Right here.
Good point, mate. That patient's need me.
You love him?
Yeah. I think I'm going to hold him now.
You going to hold him again?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
I feel so bad for him.
You never touch me.
Stop. It's going
Don't do that, Lena. Hold him close to your belly.
Ooh, let him dance.